Okay, children. So continuation of 22.2 exercise. Okay, volumes of cylinders. Yesterday we did 1 to 11 sums, no children. So today we will do 12 onwards. Okay, 12 sum. Where tell me 12 sum. The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio of 2 is to 3, and the heights are in the ratio of 5 is to 3. Heights are in the ratio of 5 is to 3. Question is, calculate the ratio of their volumes.
So volume 1 is to volume 2 is equal to
Pi,
pi r square h by pi r 1 square h by pi r 2 square h by h2. Pi
okay,
cancel.
okay,
1 by is equal to 2x square
2
times
square
3
by 3 square into h1 is
into
how much? 5 by 3.
by 3.
So v1 by v2 is how much? 2 to the 4, 4 by
20
the
square by 27.
27.
27x square.
So ratio of their volumes is 20 is to 27.
27.
20 is to 27. Very good. Pravali, can you tell Taling sir? The ratio of the CSA and TSA is 1 by 2. Ratio of CSA and TSA is 1 by 2. Okay. And find the one if TSA is 616. TSA is 616. Find volume. Okay. Yes, Nana? Can you tell? CSA is how much? 2 pi RH. Tell Pravalika. TSA is 2 pi R into R plus H is equal to 1 by 2. This and this gone. H by R plus H is
R plus H is
1
equal
by
to 1
2.
by 2.
R plus H is equal
R
to
plus H is equal to 1.
R is equal to H. R is equal to H. So normally he said TSA is 616. 616 is equal to 2 pi R into R plus H. Okay, 616 is equal to, tell them, you are not saying 22 by 7.
22 by 7 into R
R plus R.
plus
H also R I am writing because H and R are same. H also R I am writing. Yeah, tell. 7 will go up.
616 into 7
2 into
by 2 into 22 is equal to
R plus R is
R into
2R.
R
2R square.
2.
R 2 R plus R 2R. 2R into R square. Okay, this 2 also goes down. So R square is equal to 616 into 7 by
7
2,
by 2
2 into,
into 22.
so 11 2s are 11 5s are 11 6s are 2 28s are 2 14s are 2 7s are, so 7 square. So radius is how much, Amma? 7. Height is also 7. If radius and height are 7, what will be the volume?
343.
22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, children, 7 7 gone. So 27 54 into 7 7 4 28 7 5 35. Just 1078 centimeters square. Cube centimeter cube. Okay. Next. Next. Okay. Yeah, Nandika, are you there? Nandika is not there. Okay. Next, Raghuram. CSA is 1320.
Yes, sir.
CSA is 1320 centimeters square. CSA. Okay. And its base diameter is 21. Base diameter is 21 centimeter. Base diameter. Okay. Base diameter is 21 centimeter. Question is base diameter. Find the volume. Find the volume. Yeah, tell me.
So, sir, we need to find the height, sir, first.
Very good. After finding.
CSA is equals to 2 pi r h.
Very good.
1320 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into h. 2
Okay.
cancel.
Okay.
Cancel 7 3s are 1320 by 66 is equals to height.
22 into 3. Okay. 3, 4, 40, 20. 20
20,
centimeter.
20 is
Height
the
is
height.
20
So
centimeter.
volume is equals to pi r square h.
Volume is equal to pi r square h.
22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2
21 by 2
into
into 20.
20.
Okay. Into 20. Very good. Okay.
So 2 11s are 2 11s are and 2 10s are
11 into 3 into
11 into
21
3 into
into.
21 into 10.
Okay.
33 into 2 10.
So This into this is 63 to 11
63
into 10.
into 11 into 10.
66, 69. 6930.
693 centimeter cube is the volume, sir.
Very good. You told very nicely. So children, firstly we have to find height. After finding height, we can find the volume. Like that we have to do. Okay, next, Rishikesh, can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rishikesh. So question is like this. 15th question. They're saying that the ratio between radius and height is 2:3. The ratio between radius and height is 2:3. Okay, and find that TSA of the cylinder volume is 1617. If volume is 1617, find TSA, he's saying.
Sir, we need to take R as 2x and H as 3x.
Fantastic, very correct. So
So
volume is equal to
volume is equals to pi r square h is equals to 1617 is equals to 22 by 7 into 2x square into 3x is
okay.
equals to 1617 is equals to 22 into 4x square into 3x by 7. Sorry, sir, in 1617 into 7, sir.
Yeah, 1617 by 22 into 12 is equal to x cube.
Yes.
Okay. So x cube is equal to
Sir,
11.
you transferred 7 to 1617, no, sir, into
Yeah,
one.
into 7. Into 7. Yeah, this 7 will go up.
Yes.
11 twos are 11 ones are 11 ones are 11 5, 11 fours, 11 sevens. So what is there? 147 into 7
147
by
into 7
2
by 2
into
into
12.
12.
2 into 12. Okay, so let's check that. So x cube is equal. This we can write as 147 we can write as 21 into 7 into 7 by 2 into 12. Okay. So this we can write as what we can write 3 into 7 into 7 into 7 by 2 into 12. Okay, 3 fours. So x cube is what is this 7 cube? 8 we can write as 2 cube.
2 cube.
This one x is equal to 7 by 2. If x is equal to 7 by 2, radius is 2x.
2x
2
is equals
into
to 2
7
into
by
7 by 2 is
that
equals to 7
radius is 7 and height is 3x.
is equals to 3 into 7 by 2 is equals to 71 by 2.
So that is TSA we should find. TSA is equal to
TSA is equals to 2HR into R plus H is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 21 by 2.
7 plus 21 by 2. Okay.
7 cancel. 44 into 14 plus 21 is equals to 35. Oh, yes, sir, 36. Sorry, is equals 72 by 7.
792 centimeters square.
Yes,
792 centimeters square. This is 15. So, okay, next, very good. Next, Megha.
Sir, 21 plus 14 is 35, sir.
21 plus 14 is 35. Yeah?
yes, sir.
Okay, 35. 7, so this is 70. 770. Meghana, next tutorial 16. Sir. The CSA is 264. Meghana, are you there? CSA is 264.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and its volume is 924. Volume is 924. CSA is this one. Volume is 924. Find the diameter and height. They are asking diameter and height.
Yes, sir. CSA is equal to
Okay. So what we will do? Volume by CSA. Volume is how much?
pi r square h
CSA is how much?
by 2 pi r h.
2 pi r h. Volume is how much? 924.
924 by 264
Okay.
is equal to pi cancel r cancel h. R by 2 132.
132 7. Radius is 7.
Radius is equal to 7.
Now diameter is
14 centimeters.
height we should find. So 264 is equal to
264 is equal to 2 pi r h.
okay. Okay.
264 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into h.
H is
7
equal to
cancel. H is also 64 by 2 into 20, 44.
And so 44 6. So height is equal to 6 centimeters.
That is also 6 centimeters.
Height is equal to 6 centimeters. Next, Hansika is there? Hansika? Hansika is not there. Nandika, you tell 17 some. Nandika, heights are in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Heights are in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. If volumes are same, can you tell them? Volumes are same. Yes, your height is equal. She is not telling. Vedant, you tell.
Sir,
Who is telling? Nandika, tell. Volume is equal to
volume is equal to
pi r1
pi
square
r
h1,
okay.
pi
Pi
r2
r2
square
h
h2.
square.
Okay.
Pi cancel. R1 square is
This will go here. This will go here. R1 square by R2
by
square is
R2
equal to
square is equal to H1 square by H2
H2 by
square.
H1. No square, no square, H2 by H1. R1 square by R2 square is equal to H2 is how much? 2.
1.
H1 is
2 by 1.
Square and square comes here means what happens? Root will come. Okay,
Sir,
root 2 by
root
root
2
1.
by root 1.
That is root 2 is 2. Root 2 is 2. Vedant, mute your audio. You can't shout like that. Okay. So this is this. Hansika not there, no? Okay, next. So everyone I asked her, Harsha, are you there? Harsha? Harsha is not there. Okay, children. Next, Vedanta again. Vedanta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. 18th one. The height of a circular cylinder is 10.5 meters. Height is 10.5 meters. Height is 10.5 meters. Okay. And 3 times the sum of the areas of 2 circular faces. 3 times the sum of the areas of the 2 circular faces. Okay. 3 times is equal to twice the areas of twice the CSA. Is equal to twice the CSA. Find the volume of the cylinder.
So we'll, okay. So 3 times 2 pi r square
Pi r square plus
pi r square
pi r square
is equal to 2 times 2 pi r h.
2 pi r h. So 3
So
into
3 into 2 pi r square is equal to 4 pi r h. Pi cancelled, sir.
1
R
r will
and r cancelled.
2 cancel. So 3r is equal
3r
to
is equal to 2h.
2h. So 3r is equal
3r
to
is equal to 21 centimeter, 21 meters.
okay. R is equal
R
to
is equal to 7.
Now what we have to find volume. Volume
Volume
form
is equal to pi r square h. Volume is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 10.5. 1 7 cancel. 10.5 times.
yeah. How much? 154 into 10.5. Anyone? How much? 154 into 10.5.
1617, sir.
1617.
1617 meter cube. That's very good. Next, Pravalika, your chance. 19th son. How many cc of earth must be dug out to sink a well of 21 meter depth? Height is 21 meter and diameter is 6 meter. And diameter is 6 meter. How much cc of earth must be taken? Means if you dig this, how much earth will come? Means volume you have to find indirectly.
Volume is equal to pi r square h.
Okay.
22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 21.
Okay. How much?
56.
594 meter cube of the earth must be taken out. Earth means soil, sand must be taken. Next, okay. Next, Nandika chance. Nandika is there.
Yes, sir.
A trunk of the tree is cylindrical and circumference is 176 meters. This circumference is 176. Circumference, not CSA. Circumference is 1. If the length of the trunk is 3 meters, length means height. If the length of the trunk is 3 meters, find the volume of the timber. What is the volume here? What is the volume? So circumference formula.
Circumference formula 2 pi r.
Okay. So how much?
176 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r.
Okay.
Cancel.
7 4s are 28. Radius is 28.
R is equal to 28 centimeters.
Volume?
Volume is equal to pi r square h.
Okay.
Volume is equal to 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 3.
Okay.
Cancellation after cancellation 22
28
into
into 12.
22 into 28 into 20.
Can anyone help me? 264 into 28, how much? Can anyone help me?
Sir, 5808.
5808 meter cube of timber is present in the wood. Timber. So it is not there because it's not, my mic is not working. Next paragraph, 21st.
Yes, sir.
A well is there, 20 meter, 21st. A well is there. Okay. Height is, what am I?
264 times 28 is 7392, sir.
Which one?
Last question, 264 times 7392.
264 into 28 is 7392. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
total,
sir.
8
then,
for the 32, sir.
then no one told 73. Someone is saying wrong. Okay. So next, second,
That is-
21st sum. 21st sum. The well is 20 meter depth. Well is 20 meter deep. Logram you see, and the diameter is 7 meters. Diameter is 7 meters. Okay. Diameter is 7. The earth which is taken out is spread in the form of rectangular cube. From here, sand is taken and they are making a cuboid. They are making a cuboid whose dimensions are 22 into 14. 22, 14. He's asking height. Height is how much? Here the volume is taken and they are making this volume. So how we will do this?
Sir,
Volume
we
of
need to
cell-
first volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cuboid.
Okay.
Pi r square h is equals to length into breadth into height.
Okay.
22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 is equals to 22 into 14 into height.
Okay.
Sir, 7
22,
7
22 gone.
22
7
gone.
2s are 2,
2s are
10s are 2,
10s
5. So height is
Height is
2.5 meter.
2.5 meter.
Is the height of this cuboidal platform. Okay, thank you. Rishikesh, 22.
Yes, sir.
A well 14 meters in diameter. If well is there, diameter is 14 meter. A well is there, 14 meters is the diameter. Okay, it's dug 8 meter depth. Dug is 8 meters depth. Okay, the earth taken out is evenly spread all along to the width of 21 meter to form an embankment. Find the embankment. So, do you know what is meant by embankment?
No, sir.
Embankment is a hollow cylinder. Around this only they will build around the well. They will build a small like a small wall like thing around the well. Small
Yes, sir.
wall like thing,
Yes,
so
sir.
that no one will fall inside. That hollow cylinder is called as embankment. That hollow cylinder.
Yes. Okay, sir.
So the embankment width is he's saying 21 meters. This is 21. This is 21. Okay. If you are not able to understand, I will say this is 21. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Width is 21. Internal radius is 7. See, internal radius is 7. External radius will be how much? 7 plus 21, 28.
28.
Okay. So what you will do is the volume of well is equal to whatever sand they have taken from this is used in construction of embankment. Volume of embankment. Okay. But what is well? Well is a cylinder.
Cylinder.
What is embankment?
Hollow cylinder.
Hollow cylinder. That's it. Okay. Now we have to do this one. So. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So volume of cylinders.
Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h is hollow cylinder is equals to pi h into
big
r
R square
big R
minus
square
small.
minus smaller square.
Radius is how much? 7
7.
into
7
7
into 7 into 8 is equals
this we
to
have to find out. Height of the embankment we should
height
find out.
is
Big R is how much? Big R.
28
28 square minus
minus 7 square.
So 7 into 7 into 8 is
8
equal to
is
h
equals
into
to
a
h
square minus b square is a plus
a plus
b
b
into
into a minus b.
very good. So h is equal to 7 into 7 into 8 by 35 into
2
25.
21
7 5 is a 7 3 is a so 8 by 15
8
that
by
is
15 point
0.53 meters. 0.53 meters approximately is the height of embankment. Children, what is embankment means? All of you listen. Embankment, this is the well known. Around the well, they will construct a parapet wall so that no one will fall inside. That wall, which is raised wall, is also a cylinder only, but we'll say hollow cylinder. This is hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. Okay, hollow cylinder formed by pi h into big R square means outer cylinder minus inner cylinder. Pi h big R square minus small r square. Volume of hollow cylinder is pi h big R square minus small r square. Pi h big R square minus small r square. Volume of hollow cylinder is pi h big R square minus small r square. So embankment is hollow cylinder. Embankment means what, children? Hollow cylinder.
Hollow cylinder.
Embankment means what, children? Hollow cylinder. Okay, children. So we did 22 sums, children, today. So 12 to 22 we did. So remaining sums we'll do tomorrow, children. 12 to 22 we did, children. So remaining we'll do tomorrow. Thank you for saying nice, children. Very good.